Good day, dear students. Today's our lesson to the 15th of April 1700 is called Photo Description and Comparison. Today we'll describe 3 pictures and listen other students auding, speaking, and we'll do some tasks from the book Solutions Pre-Intermediate Students Book, Unit 8G. Today, students, we have some new unknown words. Look here. Balaclava. Here is reading transcription. Balaclava, шлем. Looting, мародерство. Steering wheel, штурвал.
Lesson 8G, Exercise 2.
The photo shows a number of men looting a shop. There must be a riot in this area because the shutter looks broken. They can't want people to recognize them because most of them are wearing hoodies and one of them is covering his face. The man in the foreground is holding up a pair of jeans. Presumably he's stolen them from the shop because the label is still on them. It must be a clothes shop. The man on the right can't be one of the looters because he isn't wearing the same clothes and he is just standing there. He probably doesn't want to stop them because he is scared. The man at the back with the stripy hoodie looks like he is trying to climb in. He's probably going to steal something. If I lived in this place, I'd feel really frightened because there's no law and order. Anything could happen.
Lesson 8G, Exercises 4 and 5.
The first photo shows a man snatching a bag from a woman while she's walking through a subway. She's trying to hold on to the bag so he can't steal it. In the second photo, a man is leaning into a car through a broken window. He's also trying to steal a lady's bag. The common theme in the photos is crime. You can see the criminal in both photos. But unlike the first photo, the second photo does not show the victim. That's because the owner of the car is probably not there. Another obvious difference is that the criminal in the first photo might not succeed. The woman might hold on to her bag. But in the second photo, it seems as if he's definitely going to get the bag. Both photos show types of street crime, but I think the first photo shows a more worrying kind of crime. The first photo shows a crime against a person, whereas the second photo shows the theft of some property.
Students, we listened other students' opinions. You must listen a candidate comparing the photos from exercise 3. Do you agree with her final opinion? Why and why not? You must write about it at home in written form. So, next exercise is listen again. Complete the sentence with the words below. Both, difference, show, seem, unlike, and whereas. Now here the first sentence. The common in the photos is crime. What verb can we choose here? I'll choose the common theme in the photos is crime. So the word theme was chosen and the rest sentence will be written at home by you. It's your home task. Now, look at these sentences in the exercise 5 again. Which ones describe similarities? Which describe differences? What are the differences of these three criminals, and what are the similarities? You must write. Students, second part of our lesson is called an email. I can write an email about a crime. Now, here we can speak about email, about crime. Do you prefer holidays in cities, on the coast, or in the country? Why? Here is a text about email letter of Chris to Ed. Here is email letter. You must read it and translate. And here is a task for you. Imagine you went on a school trip to Dublin for 3 days last month. Write an email to your English friend Ed in which you describe your journey there, describe the hotel you stayed at, describe the crime that affected a classmate, suggest an activity to do together in the summer. So, you must write an email to your friend as you were on a trip to Dublin for 3 days. Here is an example for you. Second task is, in writing, try to use a variety of phrases to move your narrative forwards. Choose ones which shows that the next event happened immediately afterwards or sometime later. Key phrases. Writing strategy. Read the writing strategy, then put the sequences phrases below in the chart. Sequences phrases are a few moments later, after a while, a short while later, at that moment, before long, just then, shortly afterwards, soon, soon after, suddenly. So you must write email letter using those sequencing phrases. The next task is Task 7. Read the task below. Make a plan for your email. Remember to cover each point in the task in a separate paragraph. Make notes under the paragraph headings. So you must do this task at home. Read all of these. And now I have prepared a short criminal video. Please watch it and write email letter to me, maybe, to your friends. I'll wait your email letter. So our lesson is over. Bye-bye.